I'm not, Bill, I didn't know he was running for president.
I couldn't agree more. I've been saying this all day. What do we say to our sons, Corey, when they see this videotape?
Don't be like that.
And when Donald Trump dismisses it as locker room banter.
Are we here to talk about the debate performance tonight or a videotape? Because if we're here to talk about the debate performance, let's talk about what that was. Let's talk about the fact that Hillary Clinton is in favor of increasing the Syrian refugees into this country by 550%. Fact check, accurate.
No.
Yes, it is. No. She wants from 10,000 to 65,000. You fact check it. It's actually correct.
But no, what we were arguing about, Corey, what we were arguing about was about the ISIS question. The question was whether ISIS is more important than his personal character. That's the issue we were talking about.
ISIS is cutting people's heads off and killing Americans. Yes, is it more important? The number one job of the President of the United States is to keep our people safe.
Corey, what was
making the same
mistake? 1 second. What is your response when you heard this video on Friday? What was your reaction?
Look, I was on TV saying, I've already done this. I've already said my recommendation would be Donald Trump goes out and has a sit-down interview and discusses exactly what's going on and what was said on this tape. That's what my recommendation would have been.
But he didn't do that.
I don't work for the campaign.
I know. I'm just saying, but what was your personal reaction?
Look,
what did you feel when you heard the tape? We all had a reaction. We all instinctively had a reaction.
My reaction is this. That's what is said in a locker room. I've been in a lot of locker rooms. Absolutely. Look, guys, don't kid yourself, okay? Don't kid yourself. Okay, if you don't think there are
nobody bragged. People.
You're telling me there are not terms used in a locker room that you wouldn't use talking to your mother? Of course there are.
Two different things. Profanity all the time.
He didn't talk anything about sexual assault. That's not what he said.
He grabs them by the P word. That is an assault, sir.
Okay.
That is an assault.
It didn't happen. It didn't happen.
So he's lying about it. So now he's fantasizing.
Look, you want to talk about lying? Look, if we want to talk about lying, Hillary Clinton has lied about 33,000 emails. She refuses to turn them over. That's a fact. She says she has a public persona. She has a private persona. That's a fact. She says she's for open borders, and for 18 months of this campaign, she said she's not for open
but here's
borders.
the problem. You're doing now.
I'm discussing
calm down
these
a second.
issues, and what you guys want to discuss is a tape.
Calm down just 1 second. You're doing right now what Donald Trump tried to do in the debate, which is rather than really address this in a genuine way and get to the core of why it troubles people, he tried to switch the topic really quickly.
But it's not. But the topic when you talk
about issues,
when you talk about those four women, you were talking about the same topic.
People care about both of these things. Women care about issues, and they care about sexual assault, and men care about both.
Committed.
And men care. Right, but now he's saying he lied about it. Okay, so that's fine.
So Hillary Clinton's a liar and Donald Trump's a liar. Let's move on. What's next?
But let me.
Gloria's talking.
The thing that I think, in thinking about this debate a bit, I think the place where I was left thinking about Hillary Clinton in this and her reaction to this was by having that stunt in the afternoon before the debate. What they did was a sideshow done after the videotape, an hour and a half before.
What happened to them?
Can I finish?
No, it's not a stunt at all.
You thought I was finished.
Okay.
The event.
The event.
No, it's a pejorative term.
Can she finish, please?
And it's not
the event.
Well, it's different.
Corey,
I just changed the word so she can continue her sentence. The event.
I'm almost forgetting what I was going to say.
You were talking about
Hillary. The thing that did was put Hillary Clinton in a cocoon in a way where she flew at 30,000 feet. And you might have liked to hear her say, and I know her campaign was committed to this, and I talked to them before the debate, that she wasn't going to go down there. But the outrage that a lot of us felt about that videotape would have been interesting to hear her voice. And she couldn't voice it because she didn't want to get down there and because of her husband's past history. So I think in a way there was a sense that she had to fly and couldn't address it directly.
Although
and so she didn't address it directly.
It was very good. It was very sincere.
She broadened it. She broadened it, but she didn't say, "How dare you do that?" That's awful.
I find it astonishing that bringing four women, whatever it is, one of whom is a victim of rape, is somehow a stunt. What was Alicia?
I think the timing of it. What was
Alicia Machado? What was Alicia Machado?
Wait a minute.
Definitely a stunt.
Definitely a stunt.
Okay.
Donald Trump could have done this at any time. But this occurred after the videotape. And it occurred after the videotape for a reason.
Here's what Hillary Clinton's foreign policy spokesman said tonight on Twitter. I'm sure you saw this. Donald Trump, go F yourself. Is that getting into the gutter? Is that going high when we go low?
I don't speak for anybody other than myself.
Where's the response from the Clinton campaign? Where is the apology for that?
I think he apologized.